Okay. Hello, guys. It is 5:49 here on the East Coast in Gaithersburg, Maryland, guys, on March 22nd, 2022, guys. And today we're actually going to we're going to do two things, guys. We're actually going to kick off a brand new series. It's not brand new, but I'm going to officially kick off a brand new series. And today's how to make money working from home with affiliate marketing. We're going to be talking about specifically to my Instant Recall team members or anybody who's contemplating joining the team, the Instant Recall team, and in general about how to set up a complete automated marketing system, okay, guys, for Instant Recall. Now, remember, anybody who's watching this video, we're going to cover this particular strategy and this particular process using the HBA Funnel Builder. But you can use this with any funnel building software. I'm using the HBA Funnel Builder. We're going to cover it using the HBA Funnel Builder. And I want you guys to really, pay attention and watch how I'm going to actually show you the complete marketing system, the complete automated marketing system. Because when you join a business opportunity, or if you're contemplating starting your own affiliate marketing business, or even if you want to just really concentrate on direct sales or MLM or network marketing or whatever it is you want to do, if you're going to do it by if it's affiliate marketing particularly, well, you really want to be building yourself a list. So as you join these different programs and opportunities, a lot of times you'll get yourself a great bridge page, but that's what that is. It's a bridge page, okay? And it's the difference between a bridge page and a capture page. So we're going to talk about how to build your own automated marketing system from start to finish for Instant Recall. And ultimately, I will go through this process for every single program that we're actually going to be promoting inside of the $100 days affiliate marketing systems, okay? But since this is the premier product coming into that, let's talk about it, guys, okay? So we're going to kick it off by talking about the number one reason on how to start your own affiliate marketing business using the HBA Funnel Builder, okay? And the reason you want to be using a funnel builder such as the HBA Funnel Builder, the Home Business Academy, is because you can create unlimited lead capture pages. And that's how we're going to set up a complete automated marketing system, okay? You can create unlimited lead capture pages. I don't know how many I have. I lost count, over 200. And so here we are. Okay, so anyway, guys, let's get into the actual video so you guys can start kind of understanding the actual anatomy as I piece this whole thing together. Now, the very first thing I did was I created myself an actual capture page. It's not the very first thing I did. You guys know what the very first thing I did. The very first thing I did was found myself a high converting offer. And that's what you would do as an affiliate marketer. You find yourself a high converting offer. When you do, and you've made a decision in terms of what it is you want to market and promote, then you want to create yourself a lead capture page. And that's what this is, guys. It's a lead capture page. Now, on the other side of that lead capture page, that's where you're going to redirect to. And in this instance, we're going to go to the actual Instant Recall bridge page. Now, I know I got it up. There it goes. I just have these pages in different orders, guys. I've been in so much training, my head feels like it's about to explode. So excuse the sequence. But anyway, we'll go from an actual capture page and we will redirect to a bridge page. In this instance, your Instant Recall bridge page. So for anybody who wants to build out their very own automated marketing system, I mean complete, this is how you would do it. You would do it using software like you will find inside the HBA Funnel Builder, and then you will simply redirect that capture page to your Instant Recall bridge page. Remember, this is coded all to you. It's got all your information on it if you should decide to join. Now, this video is going to be the last video that I'm going to plug inside the replicated Instant Recall website. It's the last video that's going in, guys. Everything is almost basically completely finished. So when this is all said and done, you guys will find the exact same video you're watching right now at the very bottom of this page. It'll be plugged in there because that's where I'm going to put it. Why am I doing that? Because, guys, as you start giving away this free app, right, just sharing it with other people, and if you are so inclined to join the HBA Funnel Builder, I'm going to take your HBA Funnel Builder affiliate link and plug it in here where mine will be right now. What does that mean? That means you can create yourself an additional income stream as you're going out, right? And you're giving away these free apps. And people want to actually build their own marketing systems, even if it's for something in addition to the instant recall. Okay. So guys, let's look a bit at what we're talking about. We're talking about going from a simple capture page, redirecting to an actual bridge page, your instant recall bridge page to be exact. So the way that you do that, guys, once you're inside of your HBA funnel building software, and there will be all types of videos that'll show you guys, I'm showing you now. You would simply come to the page, the bridge page, or should I say the actual capture page that you created, and you would go where it says best email, you would simply click. When you do that, you'll see that little cog populate, and you would click the cog. When you do, you'll see right here where from the form settings, you come all the way down to where it says thank you page, bridge page, thank you page. It's where we're redirecting to. When you double click that, you'll get another field, and this is where you would take the external URL or the external link, which is what this link is, and in this instance, this page, and you would simply pop it inside here and hit select, click outside the box, pay attention, over here on the right hand side it says save. I'm going to save. The system's letting me know it's been updated. When you do that, guys, now this page will automatically redirect to this page when someone gives you their name and their email address. This is a complete automated marketing system. It goes from capture page to bridge page and to one of the most important steps, my contact management system, guys, my autoresponder. So let's talk about it. I'm going to move this over. We don't need it. Well, I don't think I need it. So we're going from bridge, right? Or we're going from capture. And I said I was going to move that over. Let me see if I got it over here. I got it over here. So let's just get out of here. So we're going from capture page, bridge page, autoresponder, right? Why are we doing that, guys? We're doing that because we want to start building ourselves an email list. When you talk about starting your own affiliate marketing business, guys, most people, I don't care how great the opportunity is, when you present it to them, will not join, will not purchase, will not buy the very first time that they see an offer, no matter how great that offer is. Statistics say that it takes a person somewhere between 7 and 12 times to make that decision, right? To make a buying decision. I don't care what it is. And if you guys think about it, you probably do the exact same thing. And it makes sense, guys, okay? You want to vet the programs you're coming into. You want to make sure you're in a place where you're ready to do whatever it is and you're ready to buy. But oftentimes, it's going to take more than one time to see that opportunity, to see that offer, to see that product, to see that service before you actually make that decision. Unless you're my wife. But that's another story. So when we talk about this process, and you talk about creating your own complete automated marketing systems, you can start building unlimited capture pages, right? Unlimited, guys, right? That's what we're talking about with the HBA Funnel Builder, right? That's right. We're going to plug the HBA Funnel Builder because that will allow you to start your own affiliate marketing business for anything. Doesn't matter what it is. It could be your JB Zoo products and services. It can be a ClickBank product and service or service. It could be a Warrior Plus. It doesn't matter. When you have the HBA Funnel Builder, you can build unlimited lead capture pages. This is just one of hundreds of lead capture pages that I have. When you know how to do this, which you will have all the training that you need to learn, you can simply take it, all my instant recall people in this instance, or general affiliate marketers, redirect to your actual landing page. Boom. When you have your contact management system all set up, your emails, right? Those emails, that email campaign that you wrote out is going to drip on your prospects on complete and total automation. And now, guys, this is complete. This is what it is. This is it in a nutshell. It's complete. The only thing I have to do now is drive traffic into it, which I'm going to be doing with this particular page later on today. So we talk about simplifying the process for making money. We talk about using automated marketing systems. We're talking about starting your own affiliate marketing business. Think big and understand just the endless possibilities of what it is you can do when you learn this simple skill set that I like to say can actually pay you for the rest of your life. So that's it, guys. Okay. In the very first video, right, we want to make sure I covered that. When you talk about starting your own affiliate marketing business, I don't care what it is you want to market and promote. I don't care what it is you're marketing and promoting. If you're not building your list as an affiliate marketer, wow, guys, you're really doing yourself a really serious injustice, right? You should be building yourself a list, right? And we're going to be talking more about that as we continue in our Start Your Own Affiliate Marketing Business. We're going to talk specifically about the HBA Funnel Builder, since it's my go-to software when it comes to that. And you guys know I'll be back as I plug the final touches into the actual Instant Recall replicated website. Now remember, if you guys are so inclined to pick up the HBA Funnel Builder, it's going to be plugged right into the replicated website. I'll be more than happy to plug your affiliate link right inside of here. So as you start going out sharing your Instant Recall website with the countless thousands of other people who should be joining and will be joining, no doubt, then when they're ready to do exactly what it is you're ready to do when you're ready to do it. And if you are, in fact, an affiliate for the HBA Funnel Builder, then your link, just like your Instant Recall link, will be the link that people will be redirected to when they click. And that's just another income stream. Also, don't forget, guys, I'm also plugging right down here your favorite business opportunity down here anyway. So now, wow, we're triple dipping, guys, right? Wow. I'm not even, if you guys don't get it, you don't get it, right? I think you do. Thanks for being on the video, guys. I appreciate you guys so very, very much. I got a late start today, but I had to get this up because I got miles to go before I sleep and 1,001 more videos to do. Thanks so much, everybody. I will see you guys on the next video.